Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide your TikTok following list from others. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So when your TikTok account's following list was not hidden from others, this is what it will look like. As you can see, I can easily view this account's following list since it was not set to private. And if you are the type of person who likes to keep their privacy, you might not like this, but don't worry, you are on the right video, since in this video, I will gonna teach you how you can hide it from others. So to hide your following list from other people, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, go to your TikTok profile. Once you're on your profile, next, go to menu. And after you go to menu, next, go tap settings and privacy. And now that you're on settings, you will now be able to see the privacy option, just go and tap it. And right here, just scroll down until you find the following list option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. So the reason why your TikTok following list is public, is because the everyone option is selected, so to set it to private and hide it from others, just select only me. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok following list will now be hidden from others. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.